I was running like lightning. Usain Bolt was right behind me. With a huge burst of adrenaline, I completed the 100-meter dash in 9 seconds, much ahead of Usain Bolt. Bolt said, "It is unfair. You beat me only because you had a mad dog chasing you on the racetrack." Wearing the Olympic gold medal, I turned towards him and I said, "Always remember, Bolt, I am the nut who screwed you." Then suddenly the alarm rang, tring, putting an end to my wonderful dream. It was the race day, October 16th, and what a dream I had. I woke up with lots of positive energy. The previous night, October 15th, I had an issue with my t shirt. I so badly wanted to run my 10K in the new t shirt, but the courier guys had not yet delivered it. On 15th evening, I tracked my order and I called the courier company. When I called them, they said, "Sir, today is Ayudh Puja day. All delivery boys are on holiday. Can't deliver your courier today." These courier guys are different from the Amazon courier guys. Just one day, if you don't order anything online, the Amazon courier guy comes, knocks on the door and says, "Sir, is everything okay, sir?" I listened to Bala's problem solving skills video and I got an idea to fix my t shirt problem. I drove 45 minutes to the courier company office and I collected my t shirt. Well, the lesson I learnt is that if the courier does not come to you, you go to the courier. I had another issue following the instructions for the race day. I had done everything, clean my shoes, clean my clothes ready, I hydrated myself. There was one instruction that I could not follow fully, which said, "Load up on carbs." You see, I am a little overweight and everybody around me tells me, "Raghu, you have to eat less." For the first time in more than 10 years, I had my running coach tell me, "Load up on carbs." It was music to my ears. I made all the plans. I wanted to order the delicious and mouth-watering paradise biryani. But my excitement did not last long because Coach Bala's instructions also said in small fine print, people running 5K and 10K need not load up on carbs. It was like that mutual fund advertisement which says, "Mutual funds are subject to market risks." I felt hurt. I had been through racial discrimination in my life, but for the first time I was going through race discrimination. Just because I'm running the 10K, why should I not load up on carbs? Coach Bala said, "Don't worry, Raghu. You have been loading up on carbs for the last 25 years and that is good enough preparation for your 10K. Just for this instruction alone, you are better prepared than anyone in RHWB." I cancelled my biryani order and I went to bed in doubt, thinking, I hope I have enough carbs to sustain my 10K run tomorrow. So I was in Kabban Park on October 16th morning, the race day. I did my routine warm-up. The sun rays were just trying to pierce through the darkness. To me, the best part about a morning run is to see the transition from darkness to light or from night to day. The weather was cool, a perfect setting for the run. I had brought along my wife and daughter to cheer for me when I completed my run. They came wholeheartedly because I had promised them Vidyarthi Bhavan dosa after the run. I started my run at a conversational pace. I was cruising along till the 4th mile when I started feeling some pain in my left ankle, just around where my ankle strap was. I also started feeling some hot sensation around my ankle. I looked down at my legs. I was not even wearing an ankle strap and I did not feel any pain at all. It was then I realized that it was Coach Bala's 19th mile audio clip during his full marathon that was messing with my head. You see, this is how much I follow Coach Bala's instructions. When I finally completed my 10K, I saw that my wife and daughter were still patiently waiting for me with hunger. They cheered me on. I raised my hand and they took photos and videos. I proclaimed, "I feel like Superman." My daughter said, "Chillappa, that Deepak uncle who did 50 miles and your coach Srivatsan who did a marathon in under 4 hours, they are supermen. Take us to Vidyarthi Bhavan fast, I am famished." The Superman in me felt grounded. I don't know why Coach B always says you have to learn from your kids, but I say, before kids, I was a dude, and after kids, I am just subdued. When you are super hungry, Vidyarthi Bhavan dosa is the world's best dosa. It is so good that even though I paid for it, I felt like I had earned my Vidyarthi Bhavan dosa. If you are in Bangalore, don't ever miss it. See, the best thing about my 10K was that I felt very energetic even after my run. Now I have complete faith in my training program and would highly recommend it to anyone. I felt that the program was tailor made for me, gradually increasing in intensity till I had full confidence in finishing my target run in style. Thanks to Coach Bala and thanks to Coach Srivatsan, my coaches have guided me really well. And special thanks to Shankar for introducing me to this program and you all wonderful folks. I am so looking forward to the next season.